Oh, a container. Oh, seriously? It's right there, but there's no way to it.
Job well done. Salmon pull all-nighter to install. Expect to be shipshape by tomorrow morning.
That soon?
Salmon never flounder. Always get job done.
Thank you so much.
Thank you not necessary. Salmon is fixer-upperer by trade.
What's that?
Ah, this is ultimate vessel.
Ultimate vessel?
That right. Even vortexing raging great sea not slow advance. It'd go down in history as queen of boats. Still work in progress, but sure to bring to fruition someday. It's someone's dream.
Wow.
Nothing to do till tomorrow morning, but kick back and charge our batteries.
Back to the city barracks, then?
I'll draw up the rota for guard duty. Let's consider what we know.
Noah! Hey, how's tricks?
We're doing fine here, Boliaris. And you?
Same old, same old. Though we're not getting any provisions from home, so our supply guys are being run ragged.
Any requests for us? I don't imagine you called just to shoot the breeze.
No. Good point. Got a bit of info to share with you.
Yeah?
Specifically, it's about Colony 5.
Colony 5? I remember something about them being pretty highly ranked.
Yeah. We only happened to hear by chance, but apparently they made gold just the other day. Or so it seems, but we're not sure.
Oh? Go on.
Last time a colony went gold? I think it was about 40 years ago. When you go gold, you're pardoned from fighting. That's why everybody busts their balls trying to rank up.
That sounds pretty familiar.
Thing is, we're not even hearing a peep about this from the other colonies. It's as if they're acting like Colony 5 never existed to start with. I've tried getting in direct contact with them, but I haven't heard a fart back.
You think something happened?
Well, the woman in charge of Colony 5, or Solia, was close friends with our commander.
With Ethel?
To give you some background, some 2 years after the commander got us to silver, well, Solia managed it as well. Kamaravi might have been Ethel's rival, but Osolia and Ethel, they were sworn friends.
What, so if it wasn't for the thing with Kamaravi, you all would have made it to gold rank?
I guess you could say it was likely.
Then I can see why you'd be worried.
Yep. So I was thinking of going to take a look. Been 6 days since we lost contact. If there's been some accident, we could still be able to help.
Are you sure that's a good idea? You got no flame clocks. What if you end up like us?
We'll get the spark out of there before that happens. But I'm talking about Osolia here. I ain't just gonna leave her. And if the commander was here, she'd do the exact same thing.
I really want to help out on this.
Whoa!
Uni? Seems out of the blue.
Well, you see...
What the... Why didn't you tell us this sooner? Gotta share this stuff.
Sorry. I just didn't really believe it.
So, what you're saying is, you think that in the past you were attached to a gold rank colony?
Could be. This ain't some ash about wanting to know my past self or anything. The whole colony just fell to pieces. I have to know why.
You reckon Mobius have something to do with it?
With what I saw, definitely.
So that's why. All right. We'll help you out.
No, I mean... Are you sure? You know, I'd be glad for the help here, sure, but I really wouldn't want...
Oh, enough of this already. Tell me this isn't exactly what you were hoping for.
Saw through my clever ruse, eh? Must be losing my touch.
I've seen that memory too, when interlinking with Uni. And I guarantee you it was not a dream. I'm certain of it.
True. I feel the same. What do you two think?
No objections. Let's head out.
Yeah. I want to lend a hand as well.
There you go. Okay?
I owe you one, mate. Seems like I'm always getting you in trouble.
It's fine, Boliaris. We do have an obligation here, right?
Man, not to forget all that food you gave us. Oh yeah, I remember you took seconds.
Righto. I'll be moving out after this. Let's rendezvous around here.
The Orion Trail. Understood. We'll give our stuff a once-over, then get going.
All right. See you there.
Yeah. See you.
Noah? Friends make journey to Goldie Colony?
Yep. That's the plan.
Then, humbly asking to drag Manana along.
No problem. But why?
Manana heard rumorings. Say that Goldie colonies have super real good ingredients lying around. Manana will take these ingredients. Resulting dishes will blow both socks and minds.
Trying to expand the old repertoire. Eh, Manana?
Expand!
That'd be really great, actually. Okay. Don't know why I'd ever refuse.
Manana, if you're going...
Rikugo. Naturalistic. Only answer is yes.
I just said I won't refuse. We can all go.
over there. Anybody else feeling curious?
Whoa, check this place out. A formidable opponent. Wait! Aircraft! I'm the one you want. Stormy Scarlet! Break! Overboard! Final step! Overboard! Are you ready? You said... Friends must not go with you.
Glad you could see us through that, Lance.
Yes, sir! I put my head down and pulled us through.
This is our first time here, isn't it?
We have the power to stop this violence.
I won't let any of you die! Over 4 butterfly blades! People helping them. That's move! No! Go! Are you ready, Uni?
forward to doing my job.
I'll get you fixed in no time.
You ready, Uni? No mercy.
Get there!
Fire!
Spirit Raven!
Appreciate!
About time we finished this.
Yes! I'm really close to it. My epic scream!
Spirit Raven!
Heal!
Final
Johnny
save!
Star! Healing Wider!
Appreciate! Epic scream!
Spirit Raven!
I'll get you fixed in no time. Overfall!
Tommy Sky!
Dark Banner!
Cannon!
Spin! Are you prepared? Wizard will go home!
Gale Runner!
Jesse! Start going! Extra! Jaguar Slash! Guardian Halo!
We are more than capable!
Great! Everyone get ready!
Only!
I'll control the Earth! Your damn party never ends! Oh, we're not done yet! Upon your heels! Leave it to you to rock with it, mine! Allow me!
I'm with it! I'll wait for this!
My epic scream! It ain't over yet! How about this?
Right, coming right up!
I'll start us off!
Down the shark.
Overfall!
Butterfly Blade!
Scream back! My power flows free!
No! Feeling good!
Fire! Here! Flower of the forest!
Punch your lights out! Butterfly Blade! Ethan Cannon! You went above and beyond what I expected, Senna.
Huh? Wow, I'm honored.